we'll guide you through how to change your Google Drive storage limit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to drive.google.com and make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're in Google Drive, look at the top right corner and click on the gear icon, which opens up the Settings menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings window, you'll see a section labeled Storage on the left-hand side. Click on it to view your current storage usage and options. If you want to change your storage limit, you need to click on the Buy Storage button. This will redirect you to the Google One website, where you can see the different storage plans available. You'll find options ranging from 100 gigabytes to several terabytes. Choose the plan that suits your needs and click on it. Google will prompt you to confirm your purchase, so make sure you have your payment details ready. After selecting the plan, click on the Purchase button to complete the transaction. Once the payment is processed, your storage limit will be updated almost immediately, and you'll receive a confirmation email from Google. You can always check your new storage capacity by going back to Google Drive settings like we did earlier. Remember, if you ever need to downgrade or upgrade again, just follow these same steps. Managing your storage is crucial to ensure you have enough space for your important files, and it's great to know you can adjust it anytime. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.